Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again in the gold market. So gold market shows real strength right now, and you can see that despite the hitting of the XOP target of our initial ABCD patient and that we have talked recently, very small retracement has been formed, just minor 30% retracement on intraday charts. The market reestablished upward action. So we could say that the market turns to the upward continuation and moving to our greater OP target immediately. So now we are watching for a 1286 area. That's also agreement resistance on the weekly chart, daily over one, and response of the market to this area. At the same time, you can see this acceleration. So we see that the CD leg is faster than it should be compared to the AB leg, and that could mean that market could theoretically proceed a bit later to the XOP target that stands at 1330. But at the same time, as we have mentioned in our weekly report, the 1286 areas will be some key level to medium-term perspective on the gold market. Because guys, actually, this ABCD action initially was a retracement, a reaction on the weekly oversold. And as you understand, the moving to 618 resistance and forming the ABCD is absolutely sufficient, quite enough for retracement. If market somehow will break this area, this will not be the retracement action anymore, and it will be something else. And this else is probably the trend, and it means that the breakout of this area will be not quite normal for a retracement style of the behavior. This will be the breaking of the style, and it will tell us that probably market turns to a bullish trend. In this case, if market will break this 1286, in fact, till this top around 1370, this market will have no significant barriers. Besides, if you will take a look at the tighter chart, you will see that this also will be breakout of the major 618 that already has happened. So here it was broken the major 618 level. And if market will pass through this level, the road to the previous tops around 1365, 1380 will be open. Actually, no significant barriers will stand ahead. That's why, although we have the XOP 1330 at the 1330, actually it could become the starting of something greater. And as you see, the overall situation in the global world and the political situations, some political turmoil in the United States as well, this brings healthy support to this stuff, and investors just running into the quality and the safe haven assets. So that's something to watch for on the gold market. It means that although we talked about the possible pullback and we keep our bullish view, it means that when the market will hit this area, will hit this resistance, we probably should be focused on some minor retracement. We should not watch for some significant pullback, as we talked about it recently, just because you can see minor reaction on strong level that already has been achieved. On the intraday charts, this reaction on this strong area could take the shape of the butterfly. So take a look at the hourly chart. Yesterday we talked about the possible Gartner's triple to sell. Once it has been completed, reaction has followed, but it has reached just the minimum target of this Gartner's triple to the 30% retracement of this upward action, and then upward action is continuing. So now we're watching for two targets in 1283 and 1287, 1288. It's the 1618 extension of the butterfly. So somewhere at these levels, market probably should show some pullback, and we will be watching for this pullback as a potential opportunity for taking the long position on the gold market. That is our trading plan on the gold right now. So currently, it's not quite comfortable to take the long position because market stands at the overbought and it's close to major fib resistance. But reaction on this agreement resistance on the daily, some pullback here, probably could be a good opportunity for taking the long position on the gold market.